The Honda CR-Z arrives with a presence that refuses to be ignored. Low, wide, and athletic, it's a perfect fusion of style and strength. The front wears a bold, aggressive stance, sharp lines flowing into a grille that feels sculpted for speed, flanked by headlights that slice through the night with precision. The body is pure motion, every contour designed to catch the light and channel the air. Those sweeping lines run seamlessly into muscular fenders, housing wheels that grip the road with power and purpose. The paint finish gleams with a richness that makes the CR-Z feel alive, every reflection an echo of its dynamic character. At the rear, the coupe-like hatch slopes into a striking finish, tight, aerodynamic, and unmistakably sporty. Step inside, and the energy shifts into a world of refined control. The seats hug you with a balance of comfort and sport, designed to keep you connected to every move the car makes. The cabin cocoons you in a space that's driver-focused, yet luxuriously modern. The dashboard rises in layers of bold geometry, futuristic and commanding, while the digital display glows with sharp clarity, feeding you performance at a glance. The infotainment flows seamlessly, intuitive and sleek, while every control falls perfectly under your fingertips, responsive, precise, effortless. It's more than a cabin, it's a cockpit, a command center for pure driving excitement. And when the engine wakes, the CR-Z responds with a blend of efficiency and raw energy. Smooth hybrid technology delivers instant torque, while its sport-tuned handling makes every curve an invitation. Quiet when you want serenity, alive when you crave adrenaline. This is design that moves, performance that inspires, and luxury that surprises. The Honda CR-Z, where futuristic efficiency meets pure driving passion, unforgettable from every glance to every mile.